Okay, come see it, Twyla. Come see it.
Here we are.
Come here.
We're microwaving. We don't have a microwave at home. We're experiencing the microwave for the first time with the kids. And Twyla is scared to death of the microwave. She is hiding behind the king-size bed in this hotel room. Twyla, come check out the microwave.
Come look at it. Come look at it, Twyla. Come look. Come look at it. Come on.
Come look at this box.
Go look at. Go look.
Look at the bag of popcorn.
Go look at it.
Come look.
Go look at it. Go. Go to mommy.
It's done. Look.
It's done. Go to mommy. Go, mommy.
Look, Odie. Look, Twyla. Look what mom's got. Come get it. Shut it hard. Look at that. Popcorn.
Yeah, popcorn.
Don't put your hand in there. You'll burn. Burn. Everybody sit down and have a bite. Have a bite with mom. Sit down. Here, hold your hand out. Look what came out of there. Popcorn. You too.
Yeah, should cook something else in the microwave. See what she thinks of it.
Here, you're her money. What do you think? That came out of there.
Yeah, it came out of the microwave.
Okay, Suzanne. Okay.
Okay.
I believe that box just cooked that food. What do you think? Was good?
Can I go potty?
Tell everybody on YouTube.
Was it good?
Was it good? You were scared? Did it scare you? Did that box scare you?
Now I have to go
A little bit. A little scared. She's a little scared. It scared your cheek? Uh-huh. It scared her cheek. I don't know what that means.
Oh.
It's okay. It scared her. Here.
Yeah. Tell me.
Tell Daddy it scared you. Tell Daddy.
Look.
It scared me bad.
She's box. It scared me box.
That box scared you? Tell Daddy.
A bummer.
Say, Abba.
A bummer.
She said, don't bother me.
Don't bother me. Say, don't bother me no more.
Bummer.
Okay.
Wow, look at this. Claire actually knows how to turn off the light and close the door. Now if we could just get her to do that at the house. Alright. We'll cut it off.